So this kind of unboxing is new to YouTube. Yeah. Hello. 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 Ah! I'm tired guys, little bit, but still I'm going to make the video. So if you see my setup in here, it is not that great setup, I would say. Decent setup, great one focus light, and the thing is, in this side some sort of background RGB light is coming. Here if you see some sort of bluish color coming. So if I'm shooting like this and if I'm standing, some sort of separation is happening, right? But what about this side? Bruh. Well, for that I did something cool. So this is my regular setup, talking one. Here you see some color is coming. The good thing is I bought this for some 300 rupees. So this RGB will come with a remote and I can actually control it. Some colors I can change. Sometimes it works, sometimes it won't, but yeah, it's working, right? So you are able to see, right? So like this, I need something to fill this side. This side is totally plain wall, and that one is not looking good. So if I can fill something, it will be like looking good. For that reason, I bought a USB LED atmosphere lamp. So this one I bought it around for 1600 rupees, 1699 I think. This one have multiple features, but when it was coming, it was damaged. Here you can see, but usually normal people will return it. But what I did, well, I fixed it myself. We'll just quickly open. So this kind of unboxing is new to YouTube. First what I do is, yeah, hope I didn't break anything. It is like a tube light, but I didn't buy the tube light because for some reason. Also, in this side we have the Type-C cable. This is not from
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Did I just broke it? We can fix it. It is simple. You have to just insert. Yep. One super glue will fix it, that's fine. And this one is not actually through current AC or something. You can even use it with the power bank if you have. So wherever I want, I can just easily use it. That's one of the cool thing. And another thing is we have the remote again here. So here it has some sort of peel. I can remove it. It should work. I no need to install any app in my mobile and always use the mobile to control it. Having the remote is always good because you don't know how many apps you have you will install in your mobile. Already it is full. And still you have an option to install an app as well. QR code which you can scan and install. The app name is Miracles Star. Let me just see if it is available for iPhone. QR code scanner. Yeah. It is available for both the iPhone and Apple App Store and Play Store. It is Mr. Star. I hope it doesn't have any virus or something. So let it install. In the meantime, we will try to. Here I have Type-C, and along with this, you have attached a tripod, but the height is questionable. You can't extend it also. That is a bad thing because if I put it in the ground, you can see it is only coming till this part, and if I put stand, it will be this size. Yeah, it should work. It will work. So I will just install it. Now I can connect this. In the back side you have the Type-C cable. Also, you know, you don't need a remote. If you want to set a static color, you need a remote, but you have a button here. You can see, right? If you click this button, it will work directly. You can change the color. So let me find my power bank. So here I have my power bank. So if I connect, there are other lights like 5000 and all which has a inbuilt battery. You have to recharge it, but I'm not running any corporate YouTube channel or something, so it's cool, right? So it is too much bright, that's why the color is not at all showing. Maybe I did some mistake, or I don't know. Maybe I'll try to reduce the ISO. So now it is not at all showing anything. If I click here, The color is changing, but I don't want to make any eye pain. So here if you see the CS, right, color selection, if I click here, the color will be static and I can directly click and check the color. So this is what I want to do. Here it is fully blue color, but in the camera it is showing white color. I don't know. So let me just keep it aside. Is it good? I don't know. I think now it is some sort of filling both the side, but I don't know. Can I reduce the brightness? I even have the option to change the flow from upside to downside and downside to upside and all. Well, let us check the app. Okay, it is asking for Bluetooth. This pairing option was really cool. It is simple. As you can see, this is the user interface of the app, and I have the button to turn it on and turn it off, as you can see. And the brightness level here I can control. Yeah, brightness is working. Color, we have some presets here. Classic white light I can use. Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. This app is cool actually because the brightness option is not here, I would say. How is this one? Is it good? I don't know. But we have a lot of option. Here if you go to mode, we have different modes in here. And I can check it. Magic, 7 color edge, but in the camera it is not fully reflecting, right? So gradual 7 color. So there are tons of option in the basic thing, and then we have a curtain. So what curtain does? Oh, this is open close. So these options is also available in the remote. You even have the option to speed it. So if you want to increase the speed, it will be disco light. I can try it, right? Hi, am I visible? So this looks good. I want a static color, red color. Okay, so I'm thinking I can shoot like this. So after this we have this in the app, we have the mic option. If I click here, you can see hello, 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 hello. The sensitivity is a little bit high, I would say. So we have the option in the phone mic and the external mic. Hello. It is cool that whenever I'm speaking, it is increasing the volume. So how it is working? And then I have set the sensitivity to full. And then we have the rhythm. Rhythm means always lighting up. I don't know how it is working, but in the mic, in here itself, we have the microphone. So that is cool thing. Now I'll turn off this. So in the mobile app, we have a lot of option. You can set that all the RGB. Also you have option to schedule turn on and turn off. If you set the time, it will be automatically turning on, it will be automatically turning off. So these are all the features are there. So yeah, is it worth for 1600? Well, when I see these features and microphone option and this, it is plastic. Of course you can buy normal RGB tube light for 600, 800. I don't know, in Wipro also there are some tube lights are there, but I think this is type C, so I can use it anywhere just by attaching the power bank or something, and even if there is no power also it will work. And yeah, because of that reason I bought it. And even if I'm using some other thing for to add some environmentally, I can directly remove this one, right? And wherever I want I can keep it and use it. So that's what about this video. If you want to buy this, it is available in Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description of this video. You can check it out. So that's what about this video. From next video or something, you will see the light somewhere here, that side or that side. Yeah, hope it improves the video clarity or cinematic look. If you want to see my primary light setup, you can watch it here. It is one of the cool video, but there is no view, only 50 views. And if you want to see the microphone, whichever I'm using right now, you can watch it here. That's a cool one. Subscribe to this channel. I will be randomly posting this kind of videos. So if you are actually interested to building the YouTube channel, don't subscribe, just to keep it as it is. So bye bye.